What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Beauty Forever. Today's video is going to be a easy install. It's going to be a V-part wig review, and guys, the V-part wigs are so easy. All you have to do is just like snap them in place and you're good to go. You can use the V-part kind of like a sew-in kind of vibe and leave your hair out, or you can do it without no leave out whatsoever, and that's what we're going to do today. Today's video is a curly unit. If I'm remembering correctly, I think it's a curly unit, and I wanted to try something different because I have done a curly V part already and it was in the middle. So I want to like see if I can like turn it into a side part. And when I install the V parts, I never braid my hair down. You can do that for more security, but I've never braid my hair down and it's still like fine. So we're gonna do that today. And if you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the CK gang. But let's get into the video. It's gonna be so quick and easy. I love when I get these bags so I can store my wigs away. This is our V part and it is a 24-inch. This is what it looks like. It has combs on the inside to secure your unit to your head, as well as these and adjustable straps in the back to help it be more secure. So this is what we're working with, and I'm really trying to put it on the side, so I'm just gonna try to do that. Guys, and I'm just carefully putting in all the combs and all the clips so I have as much security as possible. What it's looking like, and I'm going to just tease the roots a bit. I'm going to comb the hair out, do some like thing to my edges a little bit just so it's more natural. I'm gonna get a comb and comb it out. Starting to look, as soon as I comb it out, the hair is getting more body, and this is 100% human hair, so you can definitely wash it and put whatever products. You know, once you co-wash your curly unit, it looks way better, but we, you know, I was not trying to co-wash it or anything, but definitely I know once I co-wash it, the curls will be even more defined. And that's what we're looking like on this side already. I love this side. Guys, so this is what the hair is giving. I think it looks really nice. I didn't add any products, and as you can see, we are done. The hair is styled. You can always add curling products, or if you want the hair like more defined, but I feel like I like this afro look. It's giving me like a more natural vibe. I didn't add water or anything. You could definitely wash the unit, do your, you know, curly method, whatever, you know, makes you happy. You could do that, but I didn't do that. And this is what it's looking like. None of my hair is left out, and I think the parting space looks amazing. I did just like do like a little swoop in the front just to give it like a little more of like a realistic vibe. But that's what it's looking like, and I think it looks pretty impressive to not have my hair out. But for me, I really like when I leave hair out on the V parts, but I think this one looks pretty good. Like, it really looks pretty good. And for textures like this, I kind of find it hard to like blend my natural hair, and I don't want to have the burden of worrying about my natural hair. So if I can do this and get up and go, then definitely. You can always try like a center part or whatever parting you like, but I wanted to show y'all that you could wear it on the side. And as y'all saw in the beginning, my hair is not braided down. There's nothing done. I literally just like tuck the comb in, and this is what we have. So if y'all are interested in this hair or any other V part, definitely check out Beauty Forever. All the links for this hair is in the description box below. But it's super easy for days that you don't want to deal with your hair. You could just do a V part. And if you are like more crafty and you know want to blend your hair, you could do that, because I personally believe when the hair is left out, it looks way more natural. But I wasn't trying to do that today. I just wanted to do it, you know, without doing any extra stuff, kind of like the lazy girl way. But I feel like it looks pretty good. Let me know down below your thoughts about this hair, about the whole like V part trend. Do y'all like it? Not feeling it? Let me know. But I personally like it because it's very quick and easy, and you can easily just like leave your hair out and wear it like a sew-in. Let me know, girl. Shout outs to Beauty Forever for sending me this hair to review for y'all. Please be sure to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so you never miss when I do upload. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking.